In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Facebook profile picture. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device, then navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Once you're on your Facebook profile page, tap on your profile picture again to view it in full size. Now click on the See Profile Picture option. In the menu that appears, click on the icon with the three dots, then select Delete Photo from the option provided. Confirm the deletion by clicking on Delete. After deleting your profile picture, you may need to restart the Facebook app for the change to take effect. Now, when you log back into your profile, you'll notice that your profile picture has been deleted and will be replaced by the default gray profile picture. That is it. You have successfully deleted your Facebook profile picture. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.